Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export Google Ads data to Google Sheets in real time. This is incredibly useful if you want to analyze your campaign performance, create custom reports, or share live data with your team without manually downloading files over and over again. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Ads account. Open your browser and type in ads.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google Ads credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account that contains the campaigns you want to export data from. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which gives you an overview of your advertising performance. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where all your campaign management tools are located. Look for the option labeled Campaigns and click on it. This will open up a sub-menu with several choices related to your advertising campaigns. Once the menu expands, you'll notice a Campaigns drop-down option. Click on it to reveal more specific selections. From this drop-down, you'll see campaigns listed again. Go ahead and click on it one more time. This takes you deeper into your campaign management interface, where you can view detailed performance metrics. Now you should see a performance graph displaying data from your various Google Ads campaigns. This graph gives you a visual snapshot of how your ads are performing over time. Below this graph, scroll down to view the detailed list of your campaigns. This list contains all the granular data you need, including clicks, impressions, cost, conversions, and more. At the top of this detailed list, look at the header row. You'll spot a download option, typically represented by a download icon or button. Click on it, and a small window will appear on your screen. This window is where you'll be prompted to select the file type for downloading your data. To export directly to Google Sheets in real time, choose the Google Sheets option from the available file types. This ensures your data is automatically synced and updated, allowing you to access live campaign performance without needing to manually download and upload files repeatedly. And that's it. You've successfully set up real-time exporting of your Google Ads data to Google Sheets. This setup will save you time and give you instant access to your campaign metrics whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.